And we start in 3, 2, 1. Can you guys hear me? Yes, you can, motherfuckers. Hello and welcome, you big, bloody, beautiful legend. If you know what I feel like? I feel like a musician right now, like holding that mic. Like, you know how they go esa while they're singing, like, yeah, I got that feeling. Tum ho to kata hai dil. Sorry for the beatbox. And I was a beatboxer in school, you know that? Like, this is not a joke. This is serious. Like, I don't ever want to put you all through that. So I'm not gonna beatbox right now, but I was a beatboxer in school. Yes, I was. Hello and welcome, you big bloody beautiful legends. It's been a while. I'm sorry I'm not been uploading that much, man. My fucking कॉलेज वर्क बहुत हो रहा है यार ब्रो. दिमाग सड़ गया. पकड़ के मारने का मन करता है ब्रो कॉलेज वालों को. ऑल्दो इट्स स्टार्टिंग 8th December is Judgment Day is when I see everybody from college. Although I have seen everybody already, so it's really not that crazy. I've already seen them, most of them. Maybe like 3-4 people I haven't seen at the most. But yeah, I've seen almost everybody. So it's not like I'm gonna be super hyped to see them. It's like तेरे को पिछले हफ्ते ही देखा था साले फटका मारूंगा ज़्यादा मत कर. But I've been on this coffee drip, as you all know. I've been having more and more of cold brew because, dude, I was getting a lot of acidity, man. So like, I know this is a very uncle problem, and people who my college friends who listen to this will be like, Karan, you're already an uncle. But dude, actually, ये सब problem पहले नहीं होता था, bro. Now I like hangovers last longer, and you know, it's just it doesn't feel things don't feel like good once you the fuck ups don't feel all right the next day, if you know what I mean. Like, the fucking up is not okay anymore. Now there are consequences that are not like that really cause problems. But yeah, how's everything going, my friend? How have you been? I've been very happy recently, man. I don't know why. I used to turn to recording. I noticed. I mean, it's okay. Like, I'll explain this. Earlier, when I used to be very upset, I used to feel like a lot of the things that I do for myself, let's say like this podcast or like other things like working out and all, playing football, will make me feel better. But now I do them because, not because they make me happy when I'm upset or when I'm feeling like mellow, but now I do them because they actually, like, they still make me happy, of course, but it's not because I'm upset, because it is just something I do to be happy. You know what I mean? Like, now life is happy in general, but I still do it. You get it? Usually people like bounce from things that used to make them happy once they're general happy. You know what I mean? Like calling friends when you're low. You stop calling them when you're feeling happy. But now I do that because it's generally good. It's not to like stop me from being sad. It's something that's nice. You know what I mean? Sorry, man. But yeah, I've been dude. I started watching which movie? I started watching like old Bollywood movies again, and by old I mean like shit that I used to watch when I was a kid. So like Hera Fairy, Dhamal, and all that. Bhagam Bhag, bro, मजा आ गया है, bro. ढोल देगा, bro. What a movie, bro. What a movie. And Partner also I saw again, bro. Partner तो क्या चल रहा है ब्रो पिक्चर में पता नहीं यार. थोड़ा थोड़ा डाइसी सीन है वो. बच्चा मेरा मतलब थोड़ा ऑन द एज है वो. प्रेम भाई का नेफ्यू थोड़ा. यू गेट इट? Like, he's a little tricky, bro, because भास्कर मामा बोल के साले ने मिसाइल बना डाला है और कोई कुछ बोल नहीं रहा है बिकॉज वो भास्कर मामा बोल रहा है. एंड दैट साउंड्स वेरी स्वीट एंड नाइस, राइट? प्रेम मामा एंड ऑल दैट बोल बोल के एवरीथिंग इज ऑल जी. बट मदरफकर्स में ब्रो साला डबल बैटरी बैठ के मिसाइल बना रहा है. कोई कुछ बोल नहीं रहा है उसको. मिसाइल बना रहा है. तू कैसे रॉकेट बना रहा है? गो बेबी गो, वॉइस एक्टिवेटेड. How does he have the technology firstly to do all this? Understand that Sohail Bhai, who is his father, is in NASA, right? I understand that's like a very valid reason to have such knowledge. But somebody should talk to his parents. Like, if I was a teacher, I would have held a, like, I would have, okay, so we had something called yellow slips in school in Jamnabai, where if you're handed a yellow slip, you have to bring your parents to school, right? उसको मैं हर हफ्ते येलो स्लिप देता कि भाई तू लिटरली लाइक थेरेपी. आई वुड लाइक गिव हिज पेरेंट्स अपडेट्स. Like I would talk to the kid like, hey buddy, do you feel like making a missile? Are we good? Are we being a bad boy? Are we making voice activated rockets to destroy Prem Bhai's jet skis? No, right? Nah, good boy, good boy. Because somebody needs to talk to that fucking kid. Like I don't know who it is, but I don't know where he is right now. Like probably fucking joined Al Qaeda or some shit like that. But yeah, थोड़ा थोड़ा डाइसी है वो बच्चा ब्रो. कोई उससे बात करो. बिकॉज एक तो फर्स्टली how did he get the technology? Cool. Point number one, to make rockets and missiles and all. How is he getting that? क्योंकि गूगल करेगा तो भाई someone should have show. If he googled it, someone should have showed up at his parents' door like, hey buddy, your 9-year-old is looking up how to make missiles. He's going on the dark web and trying to find like rocket parts and shit like that. Like, why is he looking for tungsten? Why is he googling how to make a hydrogen bomb? Okay. Why is he looking up all that shit and fuck everything? How is he allowed? Okay, firstly, he is in Bangkok right now, right? When he's making a missile. If he started making it in India, how did he like? He must have started assembling it in India, right? But technology parts साला इंडिया में मंगाया होगा. पहले तो मंगाया कैसे पता नहीं. Secondly, मंगाया तो लेके कैसे गया एयरपोर्ट सिक्योरिटी के थ्रू? मिसाइल इधर डिओड्रेंट आदमी. अरे डिओड्रेंट छोड़ ब्रो. देयर वाज अ टाइम आई गॉट इनटू एन आर्ग्यूमेंट के चचा मेरा मॉइस्चराइजर है ये. लिटरली एयरपोर्ट सिक्योरिटी वाज लाइक, सॉरी सर, यू कांट टेक दिस निविया बॉडी मिल्क. क्यों? व्हाट यू थिंक आई गॉट अ व्हाट? Provide extra moisturization to people on the plane? Like that is a problem? Me having supple skin? Me having like smooth skin is a problem, and this motherfucker, like if he was behind me in the airport security, I'd be like, ये मिसाइल लेके जा रहा है, तुम लोग को प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. मैं इधर थोड़ा मेरा ड्राई स्किन का प्रॉब्लम है, तुम लोग को उससे इशू. लाइक यू ऑल डोंट हैव एनी सेंस. लाइक हाउ आई ऑल नॉट, how can you all not be sensitive to my situation? How can you all not be sensitive towards my sensitive skin? Man can't even fucking moisturize his skin. This man's he's trying to fucking destroy the planet. Nobody's gonna talk to this kid. You're not gonna let him pass through. Why? Because he's Love Guru's nephew. But just because Love Guru might have helped you in your love life, this kid can fucking take a missile and go. Come on, man. Okay, screw that. Bastard also, God alone knows how. He's made a voice activated missile, gotten parts and all. Who is giving him? Kids should have access to technology, to online shopping at the most Amazon. ठीक है कि तेरे को फुटबॉल मंगाना है, तेरे को जूते मंगाने हैं, चल ठीक है, तेरे को मतलब एक शर्ट भी मंगा ले तू. ठीक है, इफ़ यू वांट टू टेक फुल रिस्पॉन्स. बच्चा नोटबुक मंगाता है, पेन मंगाता है, चल PS भी मंगा लिया तूने, मतलब बिग परचेस, राइट? ऑल दीज थिंग्स यू डू. Good, you give the child, responsible actions, right? How does that kid have access to dark web? Come on, man. Screw that. End में. और वर्स और सबसे ज़्यादा सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट बात, अगर वो मिसाइल नहीं बनाता तो प्रेम भाई का 10 लाख का जेट स्की अभी भी रहता. ठीक है, प्रेम भाई wouldn't have been roaming around waterways of Bangkok for his life. He would have had, Prem Bhai wouldn't have had to sacrifice his jet ski, okay? And blame it on Bhaskar, man. Come on, what is Bhaskar doing, man? Bhaskar didn't do jack shit. Talk to the kid. Like Prem Bhai comes up and started saying, "Tu gadha hai, you're a moron," and this and that to Bhaskar. Poor guy, man. Bhaskar didn't do jack shit. Bhaskar just hyped. Bhaskar is like that guy people call immature, but he's just fun. You know what I mean? Like everybody was like, bro, you're so immature and all. In reality, you're just fun and they're boring. That's what Bhaskar is. He's that guy. He's not immature. He's just fun. Someone should tell. How did Prem Bhai, nobody questioned it? Like, hey, yo, why is there a missile? And why is it out in the fucking open? But yeah, enough. Dude, I've spent fucking 8 minutes talking about it. Prem Bhai and that nephew's missile, but I hope things are going well with you, man. I've been chilling these days. I went to Valsad recently. One of my friend, his house is going up for sale, like his farmhouse. They're selling his farmhouse, so we had like one last trip there. You know what I mean? Like a honor to the house, like a goodbye. So we went there one last time. Dude, I'm not joking. This is the craziest part. For my own safety, I'm not gonna take this friend's name. but he's the most irritable human. Like this friend is the friend who gets irritated at the slightest of things. We're out of town. We're in Valsad. He got upset because one of our other friends dropped Old Monk on his socks. ठीक है, मोजे पे दारू गिरा दिया. Everyone else has gone on having fun. चल ठीक है, sorry हो गया, गिर गया and all. It's not like phone पे गिरा है, मोजे पे गिरा है, ठीक है. This guy sat in the hall on the sofa, sitting on the sofa and complaining for 11, 12 minutes on the clock. On the clock, he's complaining about how this bastard drops like Old Monk on his socks and shit like that, dropped his drink on his socks. And my friend and I, other friend and I are playing pool and just constantly telling him, तो बदल दे मुंह से, पैर धो ले, take your socks off. What is the problem? Like what is the issue here? He got so mad and throughout the span he's yelling and yelling like ये चूतिया है आदमी, कैसा गधा है, साले को बुलाना नहीं चाहिए and all. I'm sick and tired of this guy and this and that and like insulting him left, right and center. And all this while we're just like, really? Like couldn't you just, hey brother, बदल देना मुंह से गीले है तो. And he's like, I hate wet socks, man. The worst feeling on planet Earth is having wet socks. And I agree. But if you're outside, if you're at home, your socks get wet, ऐसा करके बदल दे मुंह से. Like all you have to do if your socks get wet, if you're at home, is you complain for 5 seconds and then you change them. This guy's gone on to complain and complain and complain for like 15 minutes, and then after that we just got confused. He went and he slept. This is 11 o'clock. When you go out of town, rule is at least till 3 you're up, right? This guy's gone and slept at 11. जाके सो गया. But yeah, I played hell lot of pool. I had a great time. बहुत pool खेला, मजा आ गया. Bro, pool में मतलब this man. Like my friend and I had a bet. Okay, I don't know if you'll know this friend. His name is Varzan. So Varzan and I had a bet. And like we usually compete with each other in all games, like bottle flipping we compete with each other, or like 8-ball pool and regular pool and like beer pong and all of that. We have like mad bets, okay, who's gonna win. And we're both like neck to neck. It's just a small stupid competition we keep having among the two of us. And pool में बहुत बेचारे को मारा है मैंने. It's not like I'm a great player, but I fucking obliterated him pool. And like he kept like potting the cue ball. For those who don't know what the cue ball is, it's the ball with which you hit the other balls. It's like that. So he kept potting the cue ball, and all I kept telling him was, sir, cue ball pot karke dikhao na, sir. Like the next morning, our other friends have come, and I've told them, guys, next time you all meet him, tell him, like next time you have a conversation with him, just insert this line, sir, cue ball pot karke dikhao. And Warzan has come to fucking beat me up because he's like, irritate mat kar. And it was a very dumb story, but this is something that I had to share with you all. But Valsad, yeah, man, good place. I don't know, I mean, fucking, God alone knows what the fuck is in Valsad, man, but nothing's there. Can't really help it. 1 second, guys. Yeah, sorry. What else is up with you, man? My college has been, how do I put it in the slightest manner? It's been fucking annoying, man. They keep throwing assignments. And we had a business presentation. We had to, like, for one of my courses, I had to create a business and then pitch that business. And our business plan submission was late. So by 20 minutes, so my professor is now giving me a 50% grade cut. Yeah, it's I know y'all don't give a rat's ass, but this is just shit that's going on in my day, man. I've been playing football a lot. I've been having a good time actually, man. Football बहुत खेलने लगा हूँ, bro. Like there are some characters that I meet in football, man. You'll like the more you play games with random people, the more you realize that there are people who are unique as fuck. Like this is not a joke. In 11th and 12th, I used to play football apart from school, like on turf and all. I used to play with a couple of guys. This is real, okay? So in the odd chance that you think this is a joke, one of my friend will confirm this. You can ask Kunik. I hope you all know who Kunik is. Kunik is like my very close friend. So Kunik and I used to play football with these guys. And their name, this is not joking. This is not a fucking joke. one of the guys was, they're the weirdest names, okay, but the coolest nicknames on planet Earth. One guy was called Cobra, one guy was called Chaddi, one guy was called Cheetah, and these three have been the nicest people on planet Earth. One guy was called Gadda. These four dudes, Kunik, me, and one other guy called Rhythm. This is not a joke. I'm not joking. Craziest part was, with our other friends and Kunik and I used to hang out. Like we were like, bro, आज खेलने जाना है. Yeah, खेलने जाते. कौन कौन है? Cobra है, Cheetah है. And people are looking at us like, what the fuck? Who the fuck are you all playing football with? There was one time. Oh, this is the best. I was going to play football and my mom asked, where are you going? I was like, football. She's like, where? I was like, I'm going to play at Janki Devi. She's like, oh, who are you going with? I was like, Cobra, Cheetah and all. She's like, what? I was like, yeah, Cobra ne Cheetah sate jauchu. She said, what the fuck? Who are you going with? I was like, Cobra, Cheetah, Kunik and all. She's like, yeah, Kunik I know. What is Cobra and what is Cheetah? What are you saying? So then I forgot that in my head I know this is very normal, but for my mother I'm going out to play with the animal kingdom. So and this, you would imagine, and I hope Cobra watches this. I know one guy who will like send it to him. I hope Cobra watches this. Cobra is the sweetest human being alive. Cobra doesn't smoke pot, doesn't do any narcotics, has no vices. He's the nicest person on planet Earth, like the sweetest guy. And he doesn't look like a guy who you'd call Cobra, but I don't know. I actually don't know why his name is Cobra. And never have I questioned it. The first few times I played with him, I questioned it. But I didn't ask anybody because, the first 2-3 times you're kind of awkward about things. But after that, he became my friend and we played football every day together almost. So nobody gave a rat's ass, you know what I mean? And yeah, it was just how it was. And so yeah, whenever I took his name in front of anybody, people were like, what kind of people are you playing football with? And these are nicest people on planet Earth. But yeah, I've been playing a lot of football, yes. At Nanavati I play a lot. It's a women's college, by the way, the Nanavati Women's College. Like literally there's a turf right there in the women's college. And I don't think it's the best idea to keep a turf in a women's college because it's also a hostel and that doesn't seem like the safest thing to do. Because see, the people I play with and people who can afford expensive turfs in general, you would assume are like educated people and don't do shit, but it's not the case, right? People are assholes in all walks. Like the richest are the assholes and the poorest are the assholes as well. But yeah, such is the case. So I play Nanavati a lot. There's this coordinator, and by coordinator I mean there's this dude who has booked out these slots between like 6 to like 12, I think. And that guy is like a guy who has a lot of teams, so he like mixes and matches and everything, and he ensures that the money is made. So like a percentage of the earnings go to him because he's bringing people, right? His name is Irfan Bhai. This is not a joke. Nobody calls him by his name. Irfan is his name. Nobody calls him Irfan. Everybody calls him Irfan Bhai. And Irfan Bhai is someone who looks like Irfan Bhai. He's a 6 foot tall, fucking beefy lad who plays center back. He's a big chonky boy who you cannot fuck with a mad temper and also extremely petty. So there are two problems. One is he's super petty and second is he's too big to fuck with. So if there's someone like me who's being super petty, who calls like dumb fouls and all, you'll just be like, shut the fuck up, Karan, I'll give you a tight slap. But with Irfan, you can't say that. You have to give the foul. So Irfan, I'm not kidding. Very nice guy. Like, in case Irfan bhai, you hear this, I love you. You're amazing. You're loved. You're super sweet. I'm not bitching about you. I'm just talking about you. Irfan and I are in the opposite teams. I can't shoulder push him. I could just nick the ball away from his foot. And if my foot touches his foot also, he'll call foul. And then you have to give the foul. And see, I ain't no bitch. You all know that, right? I don't back down from fights. I just walk away from them. You know the difference, right? I pretend as if I'm walking away from them, but I'm backing down from them. But point being, Irfan and I, Luckily, we're almost always in the same team. He always yells at me. He's always fucking, I don't know, man. Is what it is. Can't really help it. Fucking सबसे गाली ही खा रहे थे यार आजकल. दुनिया बहुत जालिम है ब्रो. अपने को लगा I thought life will be all well and good. I thought life will be great. अपन लाइफ में हीरो बनेंगे एकदम, किल करेंगे लाइफ में. बट अपना लाइफ बोलूँ कैसा है. अपने को लगा लाइफ में सब कुछ मिलेगा. ठीक है, अपने को लगा लड़की मिलेगी, अपने को लगा पैसा मिलेगा, अपने को लगा इज्जत मिलेगी, और क्या चाहिए आदमी को लाइफ में. अपने को लगा बॉडी बनाएंगे, लोग देखेंगे बोलेंगे वाओ फैंटास्टिक बॉय, राइट. टर्न्स आउट दैट्स नॉट हाउ लाइफ इज. You know how life is? I'll tell you how life is. If you had to relate to two characters, it would be Ali from Doom and Ali from Squid Game. दोनों को लाइफ में एल ही मिले. मतलब अपने अली को एल दिए जा रहे हैं दुनिया. मतलब एक को बेचारे को मार डाला यार. क्या कर रहे हो यार. एक बेचारा मर चुका है. दूसरे को जिससे भी प्यार होता है वो टेकन रहती है. अपनी ईशा देओल उसको एल दे के चली गई. ठीक है, वो बेचारा गाते क्या माय नेम इज़ अली सुन जरा मन चली, और वो चली गई. ठीक है, पहले अली के तो मतलब एल लग गए. चल ठीक है, ही बिकेम द बेस्ट फ्रेंड विथ like his first crush, who was, I don't know that lady's name, but Abhishek Bachchan's wife, whatever her name was, and he became best friends with that lady. So ठीक है, चल, at least you got best friendship out of it. I don't know how Abhishek wasn't insecure about it, but it is what it is. And दूसरे अली के तो मतलब माई चूत गए बेचारा. वो बेचारा अली तो मर ही गया पूरा. उसको मतलब यार, एक तो लोगों को बचा रहा है वो. ही इज सेविंग पीपल. He has a family to feed. Man's lost fingers in life. He is poor guy. मतलब क्या क्या सह किया है, क्या क्या हेल लिए उसने लाइफ में. एंड में कोई चोमिया नर्ड आके उसको गोली मार के चला गया. उसका गोटी ले अपना ऐसा ही है. अपना अली का लाइफ ऐसा है. अब गोटी खेल रहे, अपना गोटी लेके लोग चले जाते हैं, और ऐसा जीत के भी नहीं, चूतिया बना के. क्या कर सकते हैं अपन. मेरिटोक्रेसी हो तो अपन तो भी जीते हैं. मतलब अपन ऐसे कूल है. बट लोग आउटस्मार्ट करके चले जाते हैं अपने को. शतरंज अपन यहाँ पर फुटबॉल खेल ले, लोग शतरंज खेल के अपने आगे निकल जाते हैं. क्या करें अभी. बट पॉइंट बीइंग, आई थिंक इट्स रैप अप फॉर टुडे. आई लव यू एंड आई मिस यू एंड आई विल सी यू नेक्स्ट टाइम. बाय बाय. माय नेम इज अली सुन जरा मन चले.